The Galaxy S24 switches to mobile data connection automatically when the Wi-Fi connection is slow or unstable, ensuring a consistent and reliable internet connection for the user. If you don't want your phone to do that, here's how you fix it. Firstly, press the home button to return to your home screen. Then, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap on the settings icon. Tap Connections and select Wi-Fi. Make sure that the service is turned on. Now, tap on the options icon located at the top right corner of the screen, represented by 3 dots. From the drop-down menu, select Intelligent Wi-Fi. Following this, tap on Switch to Mobile Data. Tap on the toggle button to turn this feature on or off. In this section, you'll see a description that explains how this feature allows your device to automatically switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data based on your usage patterns and the quality of the current network. In most cases, this is the only thing you have to do to fix a problem like this. However, if it persists, then you have to reset the network settings of your phone. To do that, go back to the main settings page and then select General Management. Tap Reset and choose Reset Mobile Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings to proceed. After the reset, your phone should already work properly, and that's all there is to it. Press the home button to return to your home screen. Thank you for tuning in to this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.